Hi, my beautiful souls. Oh my God. Look what I have. I have a beautiful cake here that I want to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you to all. I couldn't even get through work today because I was so excited to see this. I woke up this morning and I saw, I think I'm up to like 1,200 right now. And this is for you guys, literally. And I am just so happy that we made this community and you guys are here watching and liking and subscribing and watching me, and such beautiful comments. And I just wanted to celebrate this moment because it only comes around once. So thank you. We are going to do, we're going to do a flow today that is a celebration flow. But before that, I just want to make a wish. Close my eyes, take in the breath, and say thank you. So, you know I'm probably going to indulge in this a little later, but for now, we are going to put it up here. We are gonna get going with, and I wore a pretty red dress for tonight's celebration. So, I hope everyone had a lovely day. I know I did because I was on cloud 9. And I have my cup of tea. So cheers to you guys out there, everyone, guys and girls. You know I love my Egyptian tea. And I just, again, am just so excited. I didn't even expect to do the show last night because of Easter. And I was all riled up, but I was like, I really need to be present for all my subscribers out there who follow me. And with that being said, I just figured I'd jump on and do a quick 12 minutes, and you all supported me 1,000%. And I am going to bring you more content. I have a lot of things in store. So again, we are going to do right now we're in the golden hour because I got home from work and I needed to shower like I normally do before I come on and freshen myself up and just be here to show you the beautiful cake I bought, and also to we're going to take some breaths in. We are going to talk a little bit, and again, I'm just really excited about what I have accomplished. With that being said, it's like, it's community, it's growth. I'm excited because this is going to take me to another level where I always wanted to do in my life. And I love that I have a fan base, and we're also gonna soften ourselves. We're gonna soften ourselves, we're gonna breathe, we're gonna relax. I love this little round ball. We're also gonna, my neck was killing me today, so I needed to do this a little bit. So these are great. Again, these are from Amazon. I actually now have an Amazon link where I will be linking everything that I wear down below. And everyone liked my pinky shorts yesterday, and we'll be wearing more of those too. So everything will be down in the in my description. And you know how I love to do my cat cows. And yes, somebody did tell me that cat is the higher arch. I get them a little confused, but no, who cares? Cat, cow, up, down, who cares? To me, it almost looks like the cat too, but Anyway, but we get the terminology down. I just got a little confused. So thank you for that. What else? My gratitude. I am so grateful for being here. I'm grateful for being present. I'm grateful for, I worked all day. I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for showing up. I mean, I'm looking forward to the future for this. And again, a lot of people are asking me about Patreon. So that will be coming soon. And make sure you like and subscribe. And let's get going. Let's do a few breaths, I guess, right? Let's do, I was just looking at something. In each inhale, let's say thank you. And then for each exhale, I'm going to say for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Okay, let's do a little cat-cow. Release all that energy, all that stress. Let's go down. Let's stretch it. Oh, yeah. I love my fuzzy pillows. So we're going to go down and stretch. Oh, and stretch again. And up. Let's do a side bend. And side bend this way. Like you're almost going to sit, but you're not. Side. Side. Oh, bend. Oh, yeah. Lift that leg high. Oh, good. Lift. Oh, yeah. So there you go. Oh, there we go. Oh, God, that felt amazing. God. So, let's cross our legs. Let's sit like this. Let's close our eyes for a second. Ready? And breathe in deep. Hold your breath. Soften it. So I like to do a sensual flow of yoga. A lot of people don't understand what that is. And in all terms, I'm very feminine. So for me to do all these stretching and breath movements, it really helps overall. And when you do sensual, it doesn't necessarily mean sexual. So everyone needs to relax, breathe, and bring it in deep down inside. And when you think that way, sensual can be just beautiful. Basically, there's a sensual flower, there's a sensual woman, there's a sensual tree, anything in life can be sensual if you make it like that. So this is my time where I like to come and take the moment to be still. And we all need that. So again, we are doing the celebration flow. And this is how I like to celebrate. So, all right, now, let's do a little pigeon. Oh, let's go this way again. I always forget. Oh, and then I'm just gonna lounge out on this pillow a little bit and just kind of relax. And do a little rock. Oh, yeah. It really helps the hips. It opens you up a little bit for that stretching. And up. So. I do have a bathing suit on under this. But we're going to keep it as my little dress tonight because we're celebrating 1,000 views. Sorry, 1,000 subs. But anyway, I'm going to show you this one more time. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. Let's bring it on. Let's do it. So I can do more content. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to have some links down below. I have a buy me a coffee. You know how I love my tea. And I'm just very happy and grateful. So I think I'm going to celebrate